Replacing the battery in a Craftsman garage door remote is easy, and in this short video, I'll show you step by step how to do it. First, pull out the visor clip, and I'm going to use this to help pry open the remote. A very thin flathead screwdriver can work too, but the space between the covers is very narrow, so the visor clip works perfectly for this. The replacement battery is a CR2023, and I'll list this in the description so it's easy for you to find. Now remove the old battery by slipping it out diagonally out of its cradle. On the new battery, pay attention to the side that's marked positive. Then insert the battery with the positive side down and away from you. Now line up the covers and snap them together. Finally, reinsert the visor clip and this remote is good to go. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my weekly videos.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me